Have you ever tried to make super thick and fluffy chocolate chip pancakes? Start off by combining milk with some egg yolks and melted butter. When that's all well combined in another bowl, sift together all-purpose flour with powdered sugar, baking powder, and salt. I'm always a firm believer that adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients will help prevent lumps and, those little pieces of balled up powder. Once that's all well combined, set it aside. In another bowl, whip the egg whites with some cream of tartar until you reach stiff peaks. The cream of tartar will help stabilize those egg whites. Then carefully fold the egg whites into the pancake batter, add some cinnamon, and then fold in some mini chocolate chips. Obviously, big chocolate chips or even chocolate chunks will work too. Then heat a frying pan to medium and place 2 equal-sized cookie cutters down. Spray the cookie cutters and the pan, making sure to hit the walls and the inside of each cookie cutter. Add a little bit of water to the pan and cover it to create some steam. Take off the cookie cutter and flip each pancake to cook the other side. Stack those pancakes, cover it in your favorite maple syrup, and enjoy.